Which subatomic particle is responsible for the strong nuclear force? Answer: gluon. What element forms a protective oxide layer when exposed to air? Answer: aluminum. Which organelle in plant cells is responsible for photorespiration? Answer: peroxisome. What phenomenon causes a neutron star to emit electromagnetic beams? Answer: pulsar. Which mineral exhibits twinning crystal formations, example, butterfly shaped? Answer: staurolite. What principle explains why ice floats on water? Answer: density decreases when frozen. Which nonmetal is liquid at room temperature and forms diatomic molecules? Answer: bromine. What is the only mammal capable of sustained flight? Answer: bat. Which moon in our solar system has cryovolcanoes erupting water and ammonia? Answer: Triton. What type of rock forms from heat and pressure altering existing rocks? Answer: metamorphic. What term describes a fluid's resistance to flow, example, honey versus water? Answer: viscosity. Which element has the highest thermal conductivity? Answer: silver. What plant hormone promotes fruit ripening? Answer: ethylene. What is the boundary around a black hole from which nothing escapes? Answer: event horizon. Which atmospheric layer contains the ionosphere? Answer: thermosphere. Which law states that entropy in an isolated system never decreases? Answer: second law. Which gas smells like rotten eggs and forms during anaerobic decomposition? Answer: hydrogen sulfide. What process do electric eels use to produce electricity? Answer: electrogenesis. Which planet's axial tilt is 98 degrees, causing extreme seasons? Answer: Uranus. What term describes sudden groundwater pressure causing land uplift? Answer, Artesian effect. What type of energy is stored in a stretched spring? Answer, elastic potential. Which radioactive noble gas is used in medical imaging? Answer, radon. What structure allows birds to breathe continuously during flight? Answer, air sacs. What term describes a star's apparent shift due to Earth's orbit? Answer, parallax. Which cloud type is associated with mammatus formations? Answer, cumulonimbus. What phenomenon causes a spinning top to resist orientation changes? Answer, gyroscopic effect. Which letter does not appear in the periodic table's element symbols? Answer, J. Which enzyme in saliva begins carbohydrate digestion? Answer, amylase. What term describes three celestial bodies aligning, used in slingshots? Answer, SYZYGY. Which mineral property describes how it reflects light? Example, metallic. Answer, luster.